Let me show you a quick trick that will help you figure out which tank is the primary tank. This way you won't waste your time hooking up to the wrong tank. In order for this trick to work, you need air, a little bit of air in the tanks. And also you need your batteries to be charged a little bit, because we're going to use the ignition. So what you want to do, put the ignition on, and then check your air gauge. Check the gauge level. So in this case, the primary gauge is the orange one, and is up to like 50 psi. My secondary gauge is the green one, and is up to like 25 psi. So after you check the gauge, just go back outside and release air from one of the tanks. It don't matter which tank, just release some air from one of the tanks. Just hold it down for like 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and then go back inside the truck and check your gauge again and see which one dropped. So as you can see, my primary gauge was up to 50, now it's up to 25. So that means that that tank I just went to, that's the primary tank, and that's the tank you want to hook up to if you're trying to air up the whole system. And there you have it. That's one way to do it. There are other ways to do it, but I'll show you on the next video. Thank you for watching.